Hey y'all, so I am back. So this video is going to be a watch band video. I haven't did one in a while to show you guys new watch bands and stuff like that. I did like some jewelry videos and included a few, but we have a dedicated video of nothing but watch bands. So let's jump into it. So the Apple Watch that I have is the Series 3 or 2. I can't even remember which one it is. I will list a video down below so you can see exactly which one I have when I unboxed it and everything like that. But I know mine's is like the 42 size. It's not the newest one that they came out with. It's the one before that. So I have all of these watch bands here and they are from a seller on Amazon. So let me just take this out. The seller's name is called FastGo. So if y'all can see, y'all probably can't. So there it is. So it's called FastGo. They do also have watch bands for like those workout type watches. If y'all know what I'm talking about, a Fitbit. They have bands for those as well. So if you have one of those, you can check them out. Or if you have any type of Apple Watch, they do come in different sizes. So, you know, you can get one for your watch as well. So these are how the little containers come with the actual watch bands on the inside, which I think is really cool because it's very compact and small. I haven't had a container like this before, and all of them came in these type of boxes. So they're really flat and really good, like for travel and stuff, if you want to put your band in there and bring it with you. So with these bands, some of them are not bands that I would personally wear or not really like my style. The first item that is the best selling item is this one here. It's very similar to another silver one, but the only difference is on the other silver one, it had this type of adjuster with the little clover type thing at the end. This one is made like this and it has the two little balls that you would push up to adjust it, and then you have these two little pieces that hang down at the bottom. But other than that, it's pretty much like the same thing. It doesn't have any bling in it or anything like that. It's just very simple. So yeah, I think this is really pretty, and I love how shiny and pretty this silver is. And I needed like a new band that I could wear like to the gym and stuff, so I'll probably use one for the gym and one more so to wear out. So yeah, that's a good thing. Number 2 would be the pearl one. I am not really a pearl girl. I don't know if I want to keep this one or not, because maybe I may want to wear it. This would be a perfect gift for my aunt, but she doesn't have an Apple Watch. But yes, because she loves pearls. So this is how this one looks. It is actually really pretty. If you can see, it does have diamonds in the middle and at the top. So that is how it looks, and I will just kind of show you, for example, how it would look if I was to actually put it on. I'm not going to be trying on all of these bands because that would just take up way too much time, but you can kind of see how it would look if I was to put this band on. So yeah, it's really pretty, but I'm just not really into pearls like that. I used to like pearls a lot, but then I kind of just like don't really like them anymore. So yeah, that's the first one. The quality is very good though. It's made very nicely, and it kind of has like that stretchy elastic type feel. So yeah, you don't have to worry about adjusting it or anything like that. And it did come inside of this little bag. Number 3 is this one, and this is like the same thing with the silver, and then it has that little piece that you will pull, and this kind of looks like a little 4-leaf clover. I'm not exactly sure if that's what it is, but that's what's hanging on the one that I have on as well, and I kind of like that. So this is this one, and this one is basically just silver, and it just looks like this. So of course it will go like this on to a watch, and this is how it would be on the sides. So pretty much similar to this that I have on, except it's just silver. And y'all, let me tell y'all, a while ago whenever I first got my Apple Watch, because I have shown y'all some other similar bands to this that I have, but whenever I first started looking for bands like that kind of look kind of like a little cuff bracelet, I could only find them on one website, and they were legit like $100. But now you can find them for a lot more. inexpensive and more affordable. So yeah, I love that. One thing that's different about this one is that the way that it adjusts, and on the inside it does have a message which has a curse word in it. So it says keep going, basically. So yeah, that one has a message on the inside, and that's the third bestseller. Number 4, this isn't really my style. So it's floral, it's cute. I think it's cute for like work and stuff like that. But I'm just not really into florals and stuff. And it is like a leather type material. And then you have like the rose gold. That's how it looks. The flowers are kind of like a pink and burgundy-ish type color. And then you have the green leaves. This one has a little bit of purple on it as well. So yeah, I think it's cute. But I'm just not really a flower type of girl, and I don't really wear any bands that are like leather or anything. I prefer more of the metal type ones. They look more like real. I mean, they do have watches with leather bands, but I prefer like the metal ones that look more jewelry, more dressy. Like those are my types. So yeah, that is that one. Number 5 one, and I had a band kind of similar to this before that had like this chain type of detailing, but it didn't adjust the way that this one does. It was more of a standard watch. How this one looks, and it has these different 3 little chains, and they actually move. So it's very similar to the one that I have on, but it's just silver chains. So I think this one is kind of like an edgy type of feel versus the one that I'm wearing right now. So if you can see the difference, this one is blingy and this one is just like a regular chain. So yeah, that one. And it also does adjust just like the one that I have on with the little push thing, and then you have the little clover type deal at the bottom. Number 6, I will try this one on, and then I probably won't try on any of the others because this one is one that I wanted so bad. So I'm just going to take my watch off and take the band off that I have on it and just put the new one on. And y'all know how to take watch bands on and off and stuff, don't y'all? Y'all should. It's so easy. You just press the button, slide it out, then you will take your new one and just slide it into place. I do like these adjustable ones because they're really easy to put on and off and stuff. And I seen that it was blinged out, and y'all know I love my bling, so that's why I picked it up. See, and I just did that with one hand by myself. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. It's really pretty. I should change out my face because this one is a little bit you know, tarnished, but I have another one, so I could have changed it. But this one is really pretty. Like, I like it. It's more dainty though than like the one that I always wear, and it's not as blingy, but it's really pretty. So I would definitely be wearing this one. And I like that it's adjustable, and then you have this little piece hanging down, so it just kind of gives it a little bit of extra pizzazz. Out of all of them, I would probably say this is my number 1. So, you know, it just depends. I feel like everybody is different in what they like and stuff like this. Actually the same as the one that I'm wearing right now, but it's in the rose gold type of color. And that's another thing. On their website, they had like silver and they had rose gold, but they didn't really have anything that was straight up gold, like yellow gold. So I know that may be an issue for some of y'all, because I know y'all love yellow gold. A lot of y'all do. So that is this one. It's still very pretty though. It's like a rose gold color. And I do have my rose gold face, but I just don't tend to really wear rose gold all that often. But I think this one is so pretty as well. And I love the little diamonds on it as well. Like, I think that just makes it look so pretty and everything like that. So that is that one. So those are all of the watch bands that I received. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.